Ticket Talk is a new two-way communication tool available to all Iowa One Call System users. This feature allows excavators and locators to communicate with each other by posting text-based messages onto locate request tickets. Here's how it works. After filing a locate request, you can start the conversation by first accessing the relevant ticket in your My Tickets page and clicking the Add Conversation button. Type out the message you wish to send and make sure to tick the checkbox for the utility district or districts you wish to send the message to. Then click Save. A log of your conversation can be viewed in the Conversation History section of the ticket, found just below the Members Notified section. You will need to click the gray plus button to view them. On the other end, locators can view and respond to your messages in a similar fashion by viewing the ticket through their Locator Tickets interface. If a member utility does not use OCC's Locator Ticket Management software to receive and manage tickets, they can contact Iowa One Call to use OCC's web service to receive and send conversation messages. Again, you can view the entire conversation associated with your locate request by viewing the Conversation History section of your ticket. You will also receive an email notification whenever a locator posts a response message to your locate request ticket. The email will list the most recently added message in the Remarks field. To view the entire conversation, you will need to click the corresponding link. Please note that conversation messages may no longer be added to a locate request ticket once the ticket is locked or the ticket's expiration date has passed. Also, the conversation message log is tied to the individual locate request ticket and can be accessed via the My Tickets module or through Search and Status for up to 7 years after the ticket is created. Please note that some users may not receive a notice that a conversation message has been added. Conversations in Ticket Talk do not replace stakeholder, locator, or excavator legal responsibilities or the requirement to follow Iowa One Call best practices. Ticket Talk conversations do not create a locate request. Conversations in Ticket Talk do not amend, update, or alter the original notice of planned excavations in any way. Users must file a new ticket to make these modifications. Please note that conversations are sent directly by the user to only those companies selected. Only selected users receive a conversation message. Ticket Talk conversations are publicly available through Search and Status. Users are, therefore, strongly cautioned to avoid posting sensitive information, including but not limited to access codes, personal phone numbers, and other private information. Thanks for watching.